Today in class, we're going to cover 9.NPA.1.3 content. This content is basically talking about how important vitamins and minerals are. And your quiz more specifically is going to talk about the importance of folic acid for a female of any female of any childbearing age that potentially may become pregnant or wants to become pregnant at that time when the time comes. So these three links are very important. You're going to have a 3-question quiz for the assignment that goes with this content, and it's all about folic acid. So you're going to want to open these web pages. I have already done that to go over that with you now. The first one, the teen health articles, are just talking about what vitamins and minerals are and what they do for the body, how they help the body grow. And then common concerns with vitamins and minerals. So it's just a general link that you can read through. It will help you with the quiz, so make sure you open it before you start the quiz. The next page is from the CDC on folic acid, and it talks about the basics, the recommendations, all of which, once again, you can click on, review, and have this page up for when you take the quiz that goes with this, because it's all about folic acid. And then the last link is actually a folic acid quiz from the CDC, and you can go through it, and like I said, folic acid it's actually a B vitamin, if you didn't know that. And it goes through the correct answers and incorrect. If you get it wrong, it's going to tell you the correct answer, and then tell you why it is important, why it's correct, what the correct answer is, and why it is correct. So go through. This is a practice quiz. You can take this quiz as many times as you want. This will also help you with the actual quiz that you take for an assignment that you only have one chance for. So I suggest you read through and look at all 3 of these web pages before starting your NPA 1.3 quiz. Of course, as always, if you have any questions, need any help, please let me know, and I will be glad to help you in any way.